Hey, what's up everybody? Just doing a quick after work dig here at the field down the street from our house.
Hi, hi, hi!
I hope you guys don't mind these quick videos we're putting out. It's a lot easier for us these days. Rebecca's gonna try learning the E-Track.
We'll see. I hope I can do good.
I have faith in you. It's gonna take a little time. Obviously it's a lot different than anything you've been used to before. She's gonna start off in relic mode, the stock E-Track relic mode program. She has her auto sensitivity on +3. That's about all we know about this so far. Neither one of us has taken much time. We do have that Andy Savage or whatever his name is, his book at home. Neither one of us have, took the time. Yeah, picked it out, took the time to read it or anything.
I know. Well, as soon as we get home from work,
Yeah.
it's the last
Well,
thing
you got to do it now.
I know.
Because I bet everybody says this is a really great detector.
Yeah.
And I know it's deep from playing around with it, I guess.
That's what I've been hearing too. Just really complicated. Takes a while.
Just don't you dare get it wet.
Try not to, boss.
All right, that's the same spot she's pretty much been standing for all those beginning clips here. Right here is where I was starting. I took about 3 swings and I have a deep signal here. It's repeatable tone-wise for the most part. The numbers aren't so well, but I found that just like any other detector I've used, really, that it's repeatable with the sound all the way around. Screw the numbers, basically. Especially on the deep ones. Alright, the signal has pretty much disappeared now. Yep, now I just have to get down and hope that I can hit it with my pinpointer. And there is something right down the middle. What a beautiful day. The humidity has finally dropped off here in New Hampshire. It's too early to tell, but I do believe that we have a bent coin, which is very odd. Nope, false alarm. It is a piece of brass. Let me tickle this. Alright, I thought I'd be able to blast a hole through there with a toothpick or something, but it's closed off pretty good. From what I can tell, it was round. I mean, obviously you can see, it's been bent around. It is pretty darn heavy. I'm gonna go ahead and guess this is or was a button. Maybe I'll unwrap it when I get home. Not too shabby, not too shabby. This whole spot here is filled with bullets between these 2 trees and all around them. This is a mid-tone. I didn't want to dig it because I figured it'd be a bullet, but it is pretty deep, so now I'm optimistic that it is not. Oh, yes. Yes. Look at that. There was no missing this signal either. Ooh, yeah. It's like porn. Get all that fanciness on it. Hold on a minute. Just getting some messages from 413 Mass Digger, congratulating him on being called out on by the Stealth Digger guy there. Awesome. Saw that message to him. Look at that. It's beautiful. Oh yeah, success. Look at that. That is beautiful. I have found a similar designs, similar suspender clippy things. Never one quite like this. That is a good one. That is a fine piece indeed. I want to show off my buckle.
What did you find?
Suspender clippy.
Ooh, oh, that's fancy, huh?
It's beautiful, just like
some
you.
Fancy stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Well, thank you. Good find.
Thank you. Did you find anything yet?
No, just a long nail.
Yeah. Insert a dirty joke there, huh? Far, that's 2 targets and well, 2 decent finds, I guess. Yeah. I'm really loving this detector. I like to run this detector either in park 1 or field 1 when I'm not at the beach 1. This is definitely a pretty low tone. It's repeatable somewhat. Nice repeatable low tone anyway. I am going to guess aluminum foil, or aluminium, as you Brits would say. Oh, you're kidding me. Rebecca just pointed this out to me. Fox over there. Anyway, back to our gentleman's wager. I'm guessing aluminum foil. It's probably way too deep. I'm gonna be wrong. If it was aluminum foil, it probably would have picked up right on the top there. We're a little deep now for aluminum foil. I like when I'm wrong though. It is off target though. Oh, there it is too. Get you in the sun. Why does that look familiar? Oh yeah. You know those things you put around things to hold on the metal things? They have a little, oh, it's probably like an 8mm nut on it, or a flathead thing you can screw, tighten it up. It's like a band ring thing, wire clip, metal clippy, clipperton thing, thingamajiggy. I'm not sure that's what that is though. I mean, this looks to be like it's brass. I would have to say that's not what it is, but it looks like it kind of, yeah, it does. It's kind of at an angle too. It's not perfectly symmetrical. I don't know about that one. Any guesses? One thing I really love about this field, the guy mows it, you know, not so often, probably 2, maybe 3 times a summer. So you really kind of got to get it while the getting's good. Either that or come in fall time. Son of a bitch. That was accidental. I just put my coil down while I was filling in that hole. nice crisp signal though. There's no way we missed this with the Pro, or the AT Gold for that matter. Those are the machines in which we've killed this place with. It's gonna be really shallow. Keep hearing a bunch of funky noises. Boom, boom, boom. That is an oil lamp piece. Pretty sure. Yep. Yeah, these are the things that the glass would sit inside. And you can see better from this side that this is the little slit the wick would go through. I'm really surprised we haven't dug that before. Just goes to show you that, you know, you can't put your coil everywhere. I'm gonna go see what that noise is. On the account, we just saw the fox and kind of sounds like a cat or something. If it was my cat, you know. Yeah, once again, no handgun. Messy holes in a predicament. Wild animals again. This time I got my shovel though. Zero fox. It no longer sounds like a cat though. I've never heard that noise. Could be that fox or whatever it was. It's dark in here. Yep. Heart's pounding again. I know it's right over here. Just stop making noise. I don't know. I stood there for a few. I can't hear anything crying or making distress noises now. Maybe it wasn't even distress noise. Maybe it was just a brilliant plan to get me out in the woods here by myself. Oh, that'd make a good picture. Yeah, I seem to find at least one of these every time we come here. I really want an old large scent. It's been a while. Or like, you know, Colonial Kappa. Rebecca's looking at me like, what? No way. You guys know who that guy is, right? Yeah, you know, it doesn't sound so pretty, but it is somewhat. It's beeping as I walk around it. Let's just say that. It's not the same beep beep noise. It's not the same number. Not really saying it's deep. Come on, Ferris, come on. Oh, it's tough digging right here. Come on, come on. Give me something good for the last dig of the day. I don't know if you guys just saw that. I just shoved the shovel into the ground. When I did that over there to kneel down for that spoon, there was a rock right there. Oh boy, did it hurt my hand. I almost wept. Holy. Get out of the holy. didn't even bother checking it because I thought for sure. Maybe this is something else. A microscopic piece of iron. Still get it out of here so we don't dig that again. There is something in the hole though. Hopefully that little nail was masking the sound. Oh, I probably just mangled whatever it was too. I've been getting really cocky lately with that big shovel. Ooh, it's in my hand, it's in my hand. Look at that. Oh, wow. I didn't get it with the shovel. I would have cried. Son of a bitch. I lost my, I left my brush somewhere. I see, some jingle bells going on there. Oh. Oh yeah, another suspender piece. That is awesome. It's heavy. Amazing. Cool. I feel like we're doing good today, even though we've only found a few things. This is in my container from last week. Last Friday, this gentleman right here, and us went to Kennebunk, Maine, to do some detecting. I'm just about ready to get out of here.
Yeah,
Just about ready to get out of here.
Get up horrible.
I'm hungry. I want tacos.
No, me too.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Sour cream on top.
Mosquitoes are bad. I'll tell you what. I'm gonna swing really slowly over to that, between those two trees, and when I get there, we'll go right to the car. Well, I'll turn my detector off, and we'll go home. Well, first I want to go straight across where I found that rolled up button-like thingy to see if I can find my toothbrush. Because you know me, I don't want to spend another $1.50 on a cheap toothbrush.
Brush your teeth
Toothbrush.
with it later.
Hey, how do you know the toothbrush was invented in Maine?
How do I know it's invented in
Yeah, how do you know that the toothbrush was invented in Maine? Because anybody else would have called it teeth brush.
Toothbrush? I don't get it.
Tooth as in one, teeth as in many.
Oh my god.
That's terrible, and I don't mean it.
Terrible.
I love Maine. 10:14, 10:15, 11:15.
So
Yeah,
10,
I mean,
15, 11, 15.
you want to try digging anything that's repeatable, you know. I know you said a lot of nails are, what, 130, is that what you said? So stay away from those ones, just skip them and dig anything else that's repeatable.
5, so that's how I could tell. I was like, yep, not doing 130 anymore.
Holy shamoly.
Oh.
Look at the size of that plug. You want to use my Equinox as a pinpointer? Jesus.
I can't even dig the hole. Oh.
See, like a shirt or something.
What the heck is that?
Some piece of cloth.
Plastic.
Is it plastic?
Yeah. I hope this is a
It's kind of deep. That might be good. Unless,
something here as well.
yeah, you might be chasing a nail down there then. Or maybe it's a nail up top.
Maybe. I strapped it. Is that tinfoil?
It is aluminum foil. It's alright. Well, you know what? That's still a good signal, though. You know, that could have been a bunch of things in this field.
Look at what we got here.
Ooh. The old axe head.
Yeah.
It's definitely pretty worn.
I know.
That's a cool one.
Heavy.
We don't find many axe heads, do we?
No. I knew it was something big. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go for it, see what it is.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta do it. I mean, I would say that paid off, kind of. It's not one of the cool ones, but
Yeah.
it's a find all the same. You didn't go home totally skunked, basically.
That's true.
I have a repeatable 10 here, just like your aluminum foil signal. Says it's kind of deep. I know you want to get out of here because you're getting eaten alive by mosquitoes and you didn't put on the 99.8% DEET like I did.
Well, I don't like that.
That's fine. I'll tell you what. We'll get out of here after this hole. This one I'm going to dig right now.
Okay.
Is that a deal?
Better be something good then.
It's a very El Pupo signal.
Oh,
I don't like smoking on camera. I've been getting into that habit a lot lately. I try to keep it, you know, PG-13 and stuff.
The little ones, you know?
Although I have swore in a couple of my last videos. What was that?
Gotta set a good example.
Yeah, yeah.
Naughty boy.
Yeah, I'm not a naughty boy most of the time. I do try to be, well, I try not to swear and stuff. Although it would be so much easier just to let it go on camera. If something can be that deep, then there's coins and stuff down there too that are out of reach. I'm gonna go ahead and give up on that signal.
Keep on watching.
Say something else.
You put me awkward position.
I was like, say something else. You know, I just like snip, cut, edit that part out, and then she'd be like, all like cool saying or something.
I'm trying to think of a good one, but I can't think of one right now. No, like.